today. My day did not start up early for once. At work, 4 to 8, suck balls. Right now I'm heading over to Samantha's. It's her mom's birthday, so I was invited to that. I got my num-nums on. See, I took a nap, got home at 8-ish. Took a nap till like 11:30. And I'm leaving now. I mean, I think today's gonna be kind of a boring day. So, today's vlog might be a little short and sorry. I mean, I'm not entirely exciting. But, once I get on the train, we'll start recording again. Get some good footage, hopefully. Alright, so I'm about halfway. I took the train and the bus already. She lives in South Phoenix, so it's quite a ways from the other side of Tempe. Right now I'm in empty parking lot for fries, which is the price where my brother works at, strangely enough. He might be at work. Don't have time to go see him now. I guess, I don't know. I mean, I'm sorry I've been able to record on the buses and trains, but they kind of frown upon that because there's so many people and it's really public transportation. I mean, if I could, I would keep recording everything. So I will see you when I get to Samantha's. All right? Chickens, chickens, let's look at the chickens. There's only one little chick?
Yeah.
You're crazy. People only make videos for YouTube. Say hi, Dossie. Dossie, say hi. Dossie! Hey! Huh? I'm just playing with them. So I spent the entire
train is arriving in approximately 2 minutes.
Alright, well, let's try this again. So I spent the entire day with my girlfriend and her family for her mom's birthday. Of course, in Spanish too. I'm actually just now heading home. Tired as hell. Long ass day. Long. Riding the bus and train, being in the heat takes a lot out of you. More than you think. I'm actually waiting at the train station right now, so I don't have to take a bus at all. Her Uncle Louie, which is the same age as me, strangely enough, gave me a ride. So, you know, thanks Louie for that. Until you get to sum up, this is it for the day. Wish I could have recorded more, but, you know, not my place. So I didn't know if I could record or not, and I didn't want to be weird and be like, hey, can I record? So, see you at home. Alright, so I am back home now. Basically the rundown of my day is, went to work, got home, took a quick nap. Jumped in the shower, headed over to Sam's, hung out with a lot of Mexican people. I swear I have slightly learned Spanish now. I won't be able to speak it, but I can understand it. Like Tarzan learning English. It's crazy. I'm sorry, Tarzan is the first thing that came to mind because that's what they had on for the kids. No, he was raised by apes, so he spoke ape. Like, but he heard English when he was speaking ape. Yeah, that's Albert, by the way. I mentioned him in video 1. Then I got dropped off at the train station, and now I'm home. But I'm tired. I'm probably going to edit this and hit the hay. So until tomorrow, later.
I remember when I lost my